They're members of the Association of Castles and Museums around the Baltic Sea, and they are guests. I'm cordially welcoming you here at Rundale Palace Museum at today's conference, Management and Maintenance of Historical Gardens and Grounds. So this conference was organized within the framework of the General Assembly of the Association, and we wanted it to be an open conference also for other visitors. So welcome to all of you who are here, and I hope that even more listeners we have online at our Facebook page. And the other association members who couldn't attend the conference will probably be now listening in on what we are going to discuss. So why did we choose the topic management and maintenance of historic gardens and grounds? So mostly it is because we know that cultural heritage is of very significant to our identity and to our knowledge of history, and to build the country's story about itself. But when we are taking care about the buildings, sometimes we pay a little bit less attention to the surroundings and grounds around the architectural monument. And we tried to think about what could be interesting also for other type of monuments, not just palaces with regular gardens and very well maintained territories like Rundale palaces, but also for the fortresses and castles. It's also very important to have this, to know the historical surroundings around them, to recognize how it used to look in the history and what can be done nowadays to give to the territory more attention and make it more visible. So I hope that we will find some of the answers to the conference questions today during our 3 sessions. And I want also to say thank you to our cooperation partners and supporters. First of all, I want to say thank you to Bauska municipality, because they are supporting this event with the transportation and other means. And of course, I have to point out that this conference is organized within the is implemented within the cross-border cooperation program, the 2014 and 2020, and is co-funded or co-financed by European Union. So that's also an important statement to say. And this beautiful screen is also a result of this project. And I hope that you will enjoy our conference and meeting. And I now will give a few words to the president of the association, Ina Line, please.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, Director Laura Luuse and my friends from Association Castles and Museums around the Baltic Sea. First of all, on behalf of Association, I would like to express my big gratitude to Rundale Palace Museum for this unique opportunity to have a conference day here in the marvelous palace, beautiful garden, and talk about garden. Association of Castles and Museums, which currently unites 55 castles, palaces and museums from 8 countries around the Baltic Sea: Sweden, Finland, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, and Germany, and Denmark. One of the goals of association since its foundation is to create a platform for professionals to meet and exchange experience and knowledge. And conferences focused on the specific topic is one of our forms of cooperation. In various members and museums during our conferences, we discuss different topics connected with the castles, connected with research, connected with interiors, such as, for example, archaeological research as a basic for the creation of exhibition in Tureida Museum Reserve, museum collections, and later exhibition opportunities in the castles in conference in Tukums, Baroque art Kunstkamera around the Baltic area in Gottorp Palace, for example, or such important subjects as treats and opportunities of corporate and commercial events in the Monuments of Culture in Malbork Castle, which is also a member of our association. So I think this is an excellent possibility to visit most important and valuable places all around the Baltic Sea, to meet colleagues, to discuss in professional level, and aspect about grounds, gardens, environment is quite important and very specific topic. And I do hope that today we will get a new knowledge, discoveries, inspiration, and most important thing for our job, to attract visitors, to get more information and explain common Baltic Sea area culture and history. So I wish you pleasant stay here, lot of emotions, a lot of memories, and now I'm giving floor to Agnes to open the first session. Thank you.